Hello students. So in this video I will be talking about Separation, one of the poems from Gitanjali, poem number 18. In this lyric and in the subsequent ones, the poet assumes completely the identity of a woman in love. The poet waits passionately for God, his lover, and when he comes, he will surrender himself totally into his hands. Like Donne, Tagore also uses sexual imagery and phraseology to express his love for the divine. The secular and the spiritual are thus infused into one. The longing of the lover thus becomes the longing of the human soul for reunion with the divine. There are thick clouds in the sky and it grows dark, as we see when the poem starts. In such foul weather, the poet waits and waits outside the door of his lover, God, seeking entrance. But he waits there in vain. The lover is cruel and does not call him in. It means the lover is testing the endurance of the soul. In the succeeding paragraph, the poet says, in the busy moment of the day, the poet works with the crowd. But now, in this lonely and dark hours of the day, he waits for his divine lover to come to him. As a woman waits for her husband or lover when the activity of day is over, as the night is approaching, it grows dark and she is lonely. If the divine lover does not come, if he neglects the poet and does not give him his darshan, the poet does not know how he would pass the dark and lonely hours of night when it rains outside. He keeps on gazing on the dark and the distant sky, and his heart cries out for the divine lover, and his wailing mingles with the wailing of the wind. If we conclude the poem, on the secular plane, the lyric expresses the longing of the beloved for the lover, and on the spiritual plane, it expresses the longing of the soul for reunion with the divine.